All right, Impala fans, let's take a look at this. 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. For starters, this is a true SS. In 1964, you can look at the beginning of the VIN, which on this one is going to start out with 4 for the year and then 1447. That will also be on the style code on the cowl tag or the data tag, that 1447. That denotes that this is a true SS, two-door coupe, two-door hardtop, and originally a V8 car. So this was originally a true SS. Underneath the hood, 327, and that does have power steering. Nice clean looking engine bay, a nice presentation of the engine underneath the hood. We'll take a look at that with it running in a little bit here. Another thing that would tell you this is a true SS is it has the silver interior, which would be an 805 interior code, and that happens to also denote silver in color super sport bucket seats. So no doubt that this is not a true SS. As you can see, riding on kind of the era correct styling SS Kragers. Give this car a kind of cool nostalgia look, along with the 8-track player that's underneath the dash. We'll get to that in a little bit when we check out the interior. Now, if you want to see the interior pics underneath the hood, the underside of this car, check out any of the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Check out the still pictures. Feel free to call us too if you have any questions, like to discuss this car, interested in purchasing it, want to talk transportation. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Bright work on the car. I would say it's a nice driver quality paint and bright work. Are you going to find maybe a few touch-ups, imperfections? Yes, but overall, very nice shape. There's a couple real tiny ones, if you can kind of see them up here, if I can get them to stand out, where it's been touched up a little bit, small rock chips. Other than that, you can see by the reflection of the lights, the luster of the paint. Paint is in nice shape. It does definitely show well. Take a look up and down the side of this car. Pretty darn straight. Not a bunch of door dings in the door, chips, anything like that. This trim piece, very, very nice shape. Take a look up and down that with kind of that machining finish to it. Then, of course, the Impala SS logos in the rear here. Nice looking car. Dual antennas. Got one sticking up a little further than the other. There, we'll even them out a little bit. Now, if you'd like to know, we can finance vehicles. We have different companies that will lend money on the classic vehicles. So financing is available. Of course, we do consider trades, and we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. It also may be eligible for an extended warranty. So talk with your sales associate about an extended warranty if you'd be interested in one of those. Nice little peace of mind to have. As you can see, 6x9s in the rear deck. Stereo system in this does work. Again, when I get around to the interior, we'll go through that. Iconic 64 Impala rear end, dual exhaust. Nice sounding car. This is also a 4-speed car, paired up with that 327. Now I want to get into that too a little bit. As far as the accessories on this car, on that cowl tag or data tag, you can read the accessories groups on it. This would have came with a tinted windshield. Was originally a 4-speed car, because in the first accessories group it has an L, which would denote the M20 4-speed wide ratio transmission. In the third accessory group denotes a padded dash. So this car does have some nice equipment to it. Let's take a look up and down this driver's side here a second. Again, see the machining on that trim. Very nice. This car along the side of it's not full of chips or dings. And again, pretty darn straight car. This was a St. Louis built car, by the way. Some of the things you can tell from the cowl tag and or the VIN. The VIN tag is right there in the jam. There's a clear title to this car that matches that VIN. As you can see, it does still retain the silver interior as it would have came. There's your bucket seats, tack on the dash. Now, I've played around with some of the accessories on here. The windshield wipers do work, radio does work, and as you can see, and under the dash, Panasonic 8-track player over there. I did have that working. It adjusts the 8-track in a little bit, but if you put that stereo on auxiliary, you can run an 8-track in here. Vinyl's in nice shape. Cool looking combination. You won't always see these with the silver interior. Very, very nice looking car. Let's go ahead and fire this up so we can hear it run. As you can see right there, let's check out that tack. Tack does work. Here's the fuel gauge. It's popped up a little over half there also. Some aftermarket gauges. There's your oil pressure. Temp gauge would come up with a little time while it's running. And of course, amp gauge. There's that Panasonic 8-track. Padded dash. Very cool interior. Looking similar to the way it would have came from Chevrolet. Dome light works. I should say the rear dome lights. Both sides, by the way. Look at this one. Headliner, pretty nice shape. Nicely the door closes. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this a second. Now, first of all, let's go around to the back so you can hear this thing run. Little rumble coming out of that 327. I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second so I can pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay. All right, nice and tidy underneath there. Like I said, 327 V8 power steering, dressed up with some chrome. Fan shroud intact. Nice smooth running engine. Headers on it there. Once again, check out the still pictures. You want to look at that engine bay a little closer. You want to look at the undersides of this car. Still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Also, our phone number, 507-386-1726. Be happy to discuss this car with you. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the shipping of this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associates about it. There you have it, 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. Yes, the real deal. It is an SS. Give us a call.